Ah, it's like magic. This stuff is magic. I just got a new bottle of Fernet Branca, so I figured it would be good to crack it open and have a taste. Welcome back to Drinking It In. I am your host, Chris Casara. We are here to help you know more and drink better. Fernet is actually a category of Amaro, and they're generally categorized by a much stronger bitterness, along with quite a bit of menthol in general. But that is much more the story of Fernet Branca. Lots of fun facts, and I was rereading my Amaro book where they do a little section on Fernet Branca. I never refer back to this book by Brad Thomas Parsons. I mean, there's all these post-its and bookmarks for me to have have different Amaro to try. But I think, some interesting facts about Fernet Branca in particular, right? Like I said, Fernet is a category in Amaro. Fernet Branca is the world leader, but they did not coin the term Fernet. That went to another distillery. Very herbal, very menthol forward, and a bit of an acquired taste. This is not the Amaro you want to start your journey with. Trust me on that one. Fernet Branca started in the 19th century as a treatment for cholera. And it's nice and dark there. Apparently, like 5 of the 27 ingredients are mixed by the CEO in a locked room. I don't know how true that is. I've only seen that fact on vinepair.com. But what we definitely know is in Argentina, Fernet Branca and Coca-Cola is basically the national drink. Argentina is the world's largest consumer of Fernet, so much so that they actually have a distillery. They have the only distillery of Fernet Branca outside of Milan in Argentina. Talk about logistics and making things easier. Now, I firmly believe in Fernet Branca's ability to cure ailments, settle the stomach after a big meal, or help you avoid the feeling of feeling terrible the morning after a night of, shall we say, high alcohol consumption. I may have told this story before on this channel about when I was in Pittsburgh with several colleagues. It was a fairly large group. I mean, it was like 5 or 6 guys. We had food to start at one place. We had dinner at another place. We went for more drinks somewhere else, and then it was getting late. And on the way back to the hotel, there's a restaurant bar called Meat and Potatoes, and they actually have Fernet Branca on tap. And even though I wouldn't say it was like a real irresponsible level of drinking that night, everyone had a bit too much. And what we decided to do is put Fernet Branca to the test to see whether it would help minimize some of that terrible feeling we were all expecting we were going to have the next morning. Out of 6 of us, 4 of us felt right as rain in the morning, and I am attributing it to the Fernet Branca. It is supposed to settle your stomach. Apparently it can cure headaches at times. I don't know. But I do know that if I've imbibed a bit too much, I'm going to try to get a little bit of Fernet Branca in my system to help me out the next day. So if I am now, and maybe it's because I've had this a lot, right? It's heavy menthol, and there's a fair amount of alcohol in this. I want to say it was, is it 50? No, 39%. So these are strong. This is a strong beverage, and the menthol note. There's almost a cola note in there as well. Menthol and mint, very, eucalyptus, very strong. Now, so when you take a sip, your nostrils get cleared, your throat and chest can become warm because of the sensation, the mint, the menthol, the herbs. Now, again, I love it. I think you will love it too, eventually. If you're starting out in your Amaro journey, start somewhere else. Mileti, Montenegro, somewhere like that. But if you're experienced with Amaro, I suggest you try this Fernet. And again, this glass, just my absolute favorite, the Spiegelau bourbon glass. Link in the description, make it convenient for you. But what I'm curious of is if you have had any experiences with Fernet Branca. Do you like it? Do you think it is vile and you would not even taste it? Yeah, perhaps another member of this household might agree with that assessment. Or is it something you haven't yet tried and you're gonna try? If you haven't yet tried Fernet and you go out and try it because of this video, number one, I would be eternally grateful and thankful. But let me know in the comments how the experience went. And that's all I got for you guys. Hope everybody is doing well and you're managing within this summer heat. And I will talk to you soon. Cheers. Hit that subscribe button. Hey, if you'd like more wine videos, wine knowledge, how to find values, and how to stock your cellar at home, then hit that subscribe button. It really would mean a lot to me. And we'd love to have you aboard.